The Bible holds the answer to so many of life's great questions. And the passage that you are studying will answer several of those questions on its own. But I want you to identify just one question that your passage is answering. The primary question, the one question. Now, to show you how to do this, I'm going to use 2 Corinthians 12, 1 through 10 as the example passage. So before moving forward, please go ahead and pause and read that on your own. Step 1. Identify what the author is saying. The author of your passage was speaking to a specific group with a specific message. What is that message? For 2 Corinthians 12, 1 through 10, Paul, the author, spends the first 8 verses building up to his main point that he makes in verses 9 and 10. Let's read those together. But he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. That is why, for Christ's sake, I delight in weakness, in insult, in hardship, in persecution, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong." The main point that he is making is that God is our strength, even when we are weak. Now, for step 2, I want you to flip your main point into a question. This will be your guiding question for the rest of your Bible study. So for 2 Corinthians 12, verses 1 through 10, our example passage, the main question that this passage is answering is, where does my strength come from, especially when I have none left? This will become your guiding question for the rest of your study. You will explore other ideas, but the whole Bible study is ultimately leading to this point.